Best Tiger, a hero who purposely handicaps himself with a headband and carrying guns to eliminate his enemies, and he has joined the Invincible War to protect Earth from multiple evil Invincibles. But who is this Best Tiger? His identity is unknown. The world knows him as the best gunslinger with enhanced senses, capable of fighting without using his guns, a skilled fighter, and he also has genius level intellect. Basically a combination of the Punisher and Daredevil from Marvel Comics. In the TV show, Best Tiger is shown fighting an evil Invincible, the Sinister Mark, and with his gun skills, he easily knocks him out, but unable to kill him. But in the comics, there is no footage of Best Tiger in the Invincible War event. He might be present in the war, as Cecil commands every heroes to join the war and protect the Earth. In the comics, Best Tiger is a member of the Guardians of the Globe. The hero Bulletproof was tasked to recruit heroes into the Guardians, and when Bulletproof arrives into China, he sees Best Tiger is killing every single ninjas, including their boss, with only one single gunshot. So Best Tiger joins the Guardians, and he has proven himself one of the valuable members of the team. But in the comics, there is a particular event where Best Tiger single-handedly defeats all the Guardians and brutally kills them all. He first targets Knockout and Kid Thor and drops them into a volcano. Monster Girl is helping the passengers to escape the volcano, but then Best Tiger cuts off the rope, kills Monster Girl as well. Rex sees everything. He tries to confront him, but he gets shot directly in the head. Then he comes to Bulletproof, who took the mantle of Invincible when Mark was in outer space. He was studying Bulletproof for months, and then he fires 2 shots. Bulletproof dodges one, but the other bullet shoots him in the eye and kills him in the spot. He then goes to Pentagon, where Cecil and Donald were waiting for him with an army of reanimen. Cecil commands them to attack Best Tiger, but with his bullet, Best Tiger manages to disable the reanimen's control, and they all jump on Cecil and Donald and kill them both. And one by one, Best Tiger is hunting down every single Guardians and taking their lives away. And after finishing them off, he then comes in front of a cell and he approaches the evil Insomniac, who was manipulating Best Tiger, showing him the illusions of killing the Guardians. But then Best Tiger reveals that it was actually him who allowed Insomniac to take a look inside his mind so that he can locate him. And then he fires a bullet and it ricochets under Insomniac's chin, and he is able to cut the power source of his telepathy without killing Insomniac. So which Best Tiger is more powerful? The TV show, where he is able to take out the Sinister Mark, or in the comics, where he destroyed the entire Guardians of Globe? Please share your thoughts on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.